So we're here and we're looking at a ticker timer lab. Um, you're looking at this paper and there's a few dots on here. And maybe you're sitting here thinking, what is the purpose of these dots? So that's what we'll talk about. It says the timer set to make a mark every zero point 0.5 seconds. That'll be important. So let's check out this machine, the machine that actually makes the dots. This is a pen connected to a motor. And let's play and watch and see what happens. This motor and this pen is set to make a dot every second. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. So, yeah, every second, this machine is set to make one dot. Now, how did you end up with a series of dots? In physics, what they generally do is um, they'll connect, they'll set up a piece of a strip of paper in this machine and then tie the paper to something moving. And once they do that, it'll track how far the object has traveled. So some object will be attached to this white tape. Some object will be attached to this yellow tape. Doesn't matter the color of the tape. And the object will drag the tape. And every second, this thing will make a dot on the tape. The distance between the dots is the distance the car has traveled. So, you know, so something is dragging this tape through the machine. We'll see what that looks like in real life. But the distance between the dots is the distance the tape has been dragged, the distance the object has moved. So in here in this video, let's see, they set up their tape and the ticker timer, the machine, and they attach it to a car. So the car will move forward, and every second, this thing is tracking how far it moves after every second. So they drag it through. This tape is going to have a series of dots. Each one of those dots, the distance between the dots is how far the car has traveled in 1 second. Oh, this one's a little shorter, but yeah, in 1 second. For our ticker timer, this is the distance something has traveled every zero point 0.5 seconds. This is the first dot, second dot, third dot, fourth dot, fifth dot, sixth dot. Here, if you got questions, this thing tracks how far something has moved. General gist.